Alright, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to restore the scratches and stuff on wood using Old English. So here we've got Old English. This is for dark wood. You see there it says for dark woods. It is an Old English scratch cover. So basically you're going to get a little cloth here, a white cloth or something, some kind of a nice piece of fabric. You want to get that Old English on there. So you can see I've got it there on the cloth. Then I'm going to take and I'm just going to do a little spot here so you can see the difference. So there it is. That is Old English applied to the desk. You can see how it really covers up the scratches there. Here's a little spot that I did before. You can tell there's a huge difference in the quality of the desktop right there compared to right here. And then here's the spot we just did, so it's still a little damp. This is before. Here's once it dries. Amazing difference. That is with Old English. You can see here it is really some nice stuff. You can pick this up in the description below. It's been trusted for over 100 years. This is for dark wood. You can check out the other videos that I have for different woods. I've got for light woods and another video on just general protecting, so check those out. Also, you can grab all the different Old English stuff and a rag in the description below.